is NCEA-L2 exponents powers. So let's try question 1. Let's suppose you've got 4y over 4y to the negative 2, and this is squared. Alright, so the question says simplify each of the following. So simplify and leave your answer as positive indices. Question 1 and question 2, I've got the fourth root of 16y to the power of 64. Okay, try this. Okay, so I've got, for this first one over here, if I put an imaginary power of 1 over here and an imaginary power of 1 over here, we know that we are going to take that power and we are going to multiply it by every single power in this bracket at the top. So it's going to become 4 to the power of 2 times y to the power of 2. And at the bottom, I've got 4 and y to the negative 2. Now, looking at these two powers, I can see that I can subtract them. And I can also see that this is 16 divided by 4, which is 4. Or 2 minus 1, which is 1. So what will I count to? 4. And then 2 minus 2 is 2 plus 2. This will be 2 minus 2, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4. It will be y to the power of 4. And it'll be 4y to the power of 4. Done. The other option is I could have, from this step over here, got that to become y squared, and then move this to the top, making it positive, which would inevitably become y squared plus y squared times y squared is 2 plus 2, which is 4. For the next one here, this is the same as saying the fourth root is to the power of 1 over 4. And then we distribute it to each power on the inside and multiply it. So we're going to have 16 to the quarter times y to the 64 divided by 4, because we're multiplying it. That's going to be 64 divided by 4, remember, is easy, so it's going to be 16. And fourth root of 16 is a number that can multiply by itself 4 times to get to 16, which is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2, or 16 to the quarter is 2. So this will be 2y to the power of 16. Alright, try the next one. Let's suppose I've got 2 x to the power of negative 2 y to the power of 2/3 over, and all of this is raised to the power of negative 6, all divided by 2x to the power of negative 4 y to the power of negative 5. Alright, so tricky one. Simplify and leave answer with positive numbers. Alright, let's go through this one here, and then we're done. Let's have a look. So, the first thing I'm going to do here is distribute the power into the bracket at the top. So I'm going to multiply this. It's going to become 2 to the negative 6, x to the 12, positive 12, negative times negative is a positive. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so it'll be negative 4. all divided by 2 to the power of 1, x to the power of negative 4, and y to the power of negative 5. What I'm going to do is subtract the powers over here. So that's going to become 2 to the negative 7. 4 minus minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 16. That's going to be x to the power of positive 16. And minus 4 plus 5 is 1. That's y to the power of 1. This is all over 1. We want to express it with positive powers. I've got the positive power, but it's just this one over here that I need to now move. So I'm going to move this to the bottom. I'm going to be left with x to the power of 16 times y over 2 to the power of 7. And now everything is expressed as positive powers. I can rewrite 2 to the power of 7 as a number if I wanted to, and we can just double check that as a possible other answer. Could be x to the power of 16 over y divided by, that's 128. So either or over here would be correct.